G'day world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. Today you're in for a special treat. This is a midweek quick video, and today we are... Sorry for that, my phone is... Anyway, we are doing a quick unboxing. This is the first time that I bought anything from Swartbaard EDC. EDC and gear, or gear and EDC, I don't know, Swartbaard. They make hanks, handmade hanks, and then also he's got a Facebook group if you're here in South Africa, and then you can order things from him. And he's got knives that we do not normally get at other places. QSPs and things like that, and Revo knives especially, that I've been struggling to find anywhere else. So let's do this. And for my unboxing knife, I'm using my beautiful Boker Magnum Dia de los Muertos. Okay. Very well packaged. Very well packaged. Okay, I'm quite excited about this because I've been looking for this specific knife for quite a while. Okay. Okay, now this one I will show you at a later stage. Let's put it over there. And then this is the one I want to show you, CRB, and over here it gives us a number. And then look at this. Look at this. Isn't this just fantastic? I have been looking everywhere for this knife, and now I have it in my hands. We'll do a full review once I don't know, go check specs again or anything, because I haven't done that in a while. But it feels fantastic. And it flips fantastic. Okay. And it feels fantastic. This feels like an extremely hard use knife. And it flips really nice. Oh, you can shake it closed quite easily. Okay, this is going to be my new EDC knife. I can feel that already. And I will tell you everything about it as soon as I have had some time to catch my breath and stopped saying ooh every time I touch this thing. Okay, my first CJRB in copper. Okay, stay safe, happy, and have a good one. Goodbye.